We're on the second floor of the Vista, and we're going to go visit. They're calling it the Terrace. And so it's really a closed for maintenance kind of area, but the important part about the Terrace is they are allowing you to use this area to walk your dog, basically. So it's an area that is, I'm kind of walking it, it's kind of muddy, so it's not a really cleaned up area, and they did say that it's under construction, so they're very clear about that. You can see they're working on it, but you can use this area if you need to take care of dog issues. They don't mind that. So this will be cleaned up and then turn into the official dog park. I do notice also, though, that it looks like there's a stairs, and that would be a quick exit out to where you could walk your dog right across the street, and it's right over there. So this is actually a pretty convenient little area. So this is the Terrace. Next up, we're going to go to the pool and the gym.